Breaking news. Someone from Antarctica has found a bird that might be from the future. Now, the reason why is because it has new features. Stupid TV. I really need to get up and do something. You know what? Speaking of Antarctica, I think I have some extra tickets from last time. Let me text my friend. Let me call one of my friends. ¿Qué pasa, tío? Hey, just wondering if you wanted to come to Antarctica. I had a few extra tickets, so if you want to fly somewhere, we could go. I mean, if you don't want to go, that's fine. I'll just go by myself. No, gracias. What? Okay. Guess I'm going to Antarctica by myself. Antarctica, here I come. It is super cold here. But I need to make sure that EROSION bird is a real thing. That's right. The goggles. Let's see if I see anything. So far, not really seeing anything. Wait a minute. What's that? This has to be fake, right? Let me get my goggles. Where is that thing? What? I need to see this for myself. Oh, it's so cold. But what is this thing? Looks so unique. I don't know if I should touch it. It could be poisonous. What was that? Oh. This thing is actually kind of cute. No. I can't take this home. No matter what. This thing could be dangerous. It could kill. It may look cute to lure people into its little cute souls. You know what? I have to do it. I got it. I got it. I need to go home before more of them spawn. Look, if that was your friend or a family member, I'm sorry. Here, come with me. Shoot, I need to call my friend. Dude, you here? See? Dude, you will not believe what I just caught. I caught an EROSION bird and, well, something else. Yeah, esto. So, I caught an EROSION bird, and the reason why I caught an EROSION bird is because there were two of them, and may or may not have, ¿Estás bromeando? Yeah. ¿Estás bromeando? No. Want to come over? Come over. Hello? Déjame de. He says, I thought you lived in Canada. Alejandro. ¿Dónde es el aparato? It's right there, and if you're talking about the second one, yeah, that's its eye. Jesus, Hycolios! But don't worry. Remember, the bird is from the future. So basically, you have an infinite EROSION bird loop. Its body can reproduce its eyeballs. So that bird is still alive. Si cusi vivo? Yeah, I just like people being surprised. True.